How to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. For this, you want to open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet, then all you want to do is tap on the send option over here. Then you want to select Solana. Now you will have to enter the username or address over here. To get the username or address, you have to go to the receiving wallet. So let's say that the receiving wallet is Trust Wallet. Go ahead and open that, then tap on the receive option. Now you want to search for Solana over here as well. Once you find it, tap on that. Now you will get the address from here. Tap on the copy option. After it has been copied to your clipboard, you want to open Phantom Wallet again, then paste this from your clipboard. Once that is done, tap on the next option. Now you will have to enter your amount. Go ahead and enter that. After this, you want to tap on the next option over here. Then you want to follow the on-screen prompts and complete the process, and in this way you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.